Assalamu alaikum my dear students, and welcome back to another exciting video of maths. I'm your maths teacher Sadia Rasool. Previously we have learned number 11 and 12. Today it's turn of number 13. Let's put 13 birds on the crocodile. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13. Bravo! You have counted 13 birds. Find all the numbers 13. Let's help the parrot to reach her nest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What's next? It's 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13. After checking 13 steps, parrot reached to his nest. Very well done. After number 13, it's time for the next number, which is number 14. 1 for 14. Let's drop 14 drops into aquarium. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Well done! You all have poured 14 drops into aquarium. Touch the screen and let 14 disappear. Let's count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. Wow! Ali painted 14 sticks. It's time for writing practice. First mention day and date, then T and U, which means tens and unit, on the top of the box of the notebook. Always start with the first box, then leave a box, then write ones in tens box and 3 units in unit box, which makes 13. Then again ones in 10 box and 4 in unit box, which makes 14. So 1 3 13, 1 4 14. Now you will skip one more box and write it again. ones in 10 box, 3 in unit box. Likewise, ones in tens box and 4 in unit box. You have to fill up all the page and you have to carry B1, page number 1 and page number 2. You have to solve it by yourself as per reinforcement. Okay students, till the next lesson, take care of yourself and be safe.